Rolling like a ball is an exercise that meant to massage your spine. The purpose of rolling like a ball is strengthening abdominals and stabilizing a C shape of the spine, which really does come from strengthening in here. It is a very nice way of feeling articulation through the back. So I will start with the idea of the position. So in rolling like a ball, you are sitting up on the mat. You are in a C-curve position. You hover your feet up off the mat just a few inches, so you're definitely not touching the mat with the toes. Now your knees are actively pressing into your elbows. Your elbows are pressing into your knees, and this is the shape you hold. So at this moment, imagine you are a ball. When a ball rolls, it does not change its form. On an inhale, roll back just to the tips of the shoulder blades, then exhale, walk up and find your balance at the top. And again. Inhale, roll back to the shoulder blades, and exhale, come up. Hold it there for a second. So whenever you roll on the mat, it's extremely important that you only roll to the base of shoulder blades, not up onto your neck, because you could hurt yourself. Let's try one more in the idea. You are looking for a smooth roll, not to the wobble pelvis like this. 2 or 3 more. Pilates is medial Pilates.